Hey guys, today let's learn how to see the unsent messages on Facebook Messenger. So if you guys are wondering how to proceed with viewing the messages that has been unsent on Facebook Messenger, in this video tutorial I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how to do this step by step, so please watch this video until the end. So guys, what we can do in order for us to view the unsent messages on Facebook Messenger is actually a quick and smart workaround into facing this issue. So what we need to actually do, since there's no direct way of viewing the unsent messages on Messenger, is to make sure that we have notifications of the application turned on. Now, doing so will actually allow us to view the message without letting the other person know that we have already seen the message. So we need to go ahead and hop onto the settings of our device, hop on over to the notifications, and look through the Messenger application, making sure that you have all of the notifications alerts enabled and the banner style set to persistence. And what that is going to do is it's going to allow you guys to view the specific notifications on Messenger like this right here, and allowing us to view the message even before it gets unsent by that person. So we need to go ahead and just scroll through the notifications as you see right here, giving you a quick gist of what that person has sent and allowing you to view it before it gets unsent. That is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Take care, and I'll see you guys on the next one.